Hey guys, so I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today, and you might notice I'm in a little bit of a different location than I normally film. I normally film in my office, and I'm going to try to film in here today and see if I like it better. Also, let me know down below which one you think looks better or you like. So I have like a decently small Dollar Tree haul, but I thought that it was a bunch of stuff that was kind of like haul worthy to talk about. So I picked up this, which is just a bag of Reese's Puffs. Truthfully, you don't get that much in this bag, but it just sounded super good. It says that there's about 3.5 servings in this container, and the serving is only 3/4 of a cup, which, let's face it, I would probably eat this in 2 days. Just snacking on it. I don't usually like add milk to it. I just keep it near my desk and snack on it. The next thing that I found was this limited edition Betty Crocker salted caramel cookie mix, and they just looked really good on the packaging, and it's like a very big package compared to some of the packages that are at the Dollar Tree, which are on like the smaller size. So I thought these would be good to try out. So the next thing that I picked up was this, and I was actually looking for like the bouquet of this stuff without the flowers, but I couldn't find any without the flowers, so I just grabbed the ones with the flowers. There's only 4 flowers in here, so I figured that I would be able to easily pop them off. But what I plan to do with this is I picked up 2 of the jump ropes. They're, why did I almost say corn? They're carrot jump ropes. Invasion of the Cats. And I saw that people, wow, this isn't easy. How are you supposed to pop this out? Okay, well, I'm gonna have to look into this, but I saw that people were popping the jump rope part out of the carrots, and then they were taking this and sticking it down in the carrots, and they looked really cute. So I picked up 2 packs of carrots and 1 of these. The next thing that I picked up was a new candle from Old Williamsburg, and it's called Coconut Leaves, and I just thought the top of it matches my room so perfectly well, and it smells so freaking good. Like, I can't, it smells like coconut, but it smells like something else, like very sweet with it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to put this in the room and just like leave the top off, and hopefully it'll like throw some smell. Oh, it smells so good, and I couldn't get over that the top of it just completely matches my room decor. I also picked up 1 of these, which is the deluxe pasta macaroni and cheese, 2 of the little like to-go macaroni and cheeses, like on the go, and I thought that I would do a taste test Tuesday on these and see if they're worth it. And then the last thing that I picked up was this, which is a silicone scrubber bright, and I'm not sure if this is supposed to be meant to scrub your dishes or not, but I thought that it would be good to clean makeup brushes, maybe. I'm not sure. It feels really weird, and that was kind of like one of my reasons to buy it. It's almost like one of those, you know, like the fidget spinners, how they're supposed to like calm you. Feeling this calms me. I don't know what it is, but it's weird. It's super squishy. It looks like this on each side, and it's just got these like hairs on it, silicone hairs. They had them in a bunch of different colors. I picked up this one. Mom picked up, I think, the teal one, and I think she's going to use it to try to do dishes. So I'll update you guys on this and let you guys know how it works to do dishes. Or if you pick this up and you know what the purpose of it is, let me know. The last thing that I wanted to show was something that I picked up from TJ Maxx, and I'm not sure where I'm going to put this yet, but I thought it was pretty awesome. I don't know what it is about me and like wood, but I really like old reclaimed wood, and I saw this, and it's a planter, but it's wood casted. So basically they like took a log and made a cast out of it, and then used concrete in the cast to make this, and it looks so freaking realistic and like a piece of wood that I just thought it would be super cute to put my succulents that I got from the Dollar Tree, my 3 potted ones that I still don't have anything to do with them, if I put them in here with some moss. And this was only $7.99, which I thought that was a really good deal. It's super heavy. Like I said, I'm not sure where I'm going to put it in the house yet, but when I do use this and like put the succulents in it, I will let you guys know what it looks like over on my Dollar Tree AA. Instagram, and I'll probably also show you guys over on my vlog too. So if you don't follow my vlog, which is Daily Gab, Mom and I do cooking Monday through Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday we either go shopping or talk about one topic that you guys have asked about or do a Q&A. Mom has also been doing like planting tips, so if you want to get into gardening but you're not quite sure how, or if you just like have any questions that a mom should know or could be able to answer, you can always go over there, leave me a question in the comments, and we will try to get back to you guys. And yeah, so I've just really been enjoying vlogging over on that channel, but I'm super excited. We vlogged yesterday when I found this, so if you want to see that, head over there too. But that's everything that I got from the Dollar Tree and the one thing that I got from TJ Maxx, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.